Hey y'all, and I'm back with another video, and today's video is kind of rushed, y'all, but I'm just super excited and I want to unbox my camera. Okay, so y'all, I recently purchased my first DSLR, and it is the Canon Eos Rebel T7. Oh my god, I'm so lit. This is my first like real big YouTube slash self investment since I bought my A5100, which I am currently filming on right now. So let me show y'all what else I bought before we get into unboxing the camera. Y'all know when Best Buy okay, y'all know when Best Buy you be adding to when you be ready to check out, they be like, well, you need to get this and you need to get this too. So I got a 128 gigabyte memory card, and I also have the Sunpack 58-inch aluminum 3-way pan and tilt head tripod. This was $15, and I think I have my total right here. So the tripod was $16.23, the camera was $5.95, the Geek Squad protection was $75.77 for a year, and the memory card was $31.38, bringing me to a total of $731. So yeah, so I bought this. I'm not gonna unbox this, but it's just a tripod. When I set it up for the first time, I might film it and then y'all see the memory card. But that's not what y'all came for. Y'all came to see me unbox this. Excuse my baby hairs, y'all. Don't even look at them. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here on my bed and like kind of zoom y'all in a little bit. I might not see me all the way, but yeah. And this isn't my normal setup, but my neighbor doing some weird stuff and I can't hear. So whoo, y'all, I got this camera less than an hour ago, but if y'all watched the other episodes of Vlogmas, y'all would know that. So period. So I got the premium kit. It's a 2-lens kit, and in here should be a shoulder bag and the 75 to 300 mm camera, and I mean lens, and the 18 to 55 mm lens, along with the body of the camera. Okay. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm gonna turn it like this. So of course we have the shoulder bag, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all everything but the camera just for right now because I'm so excited. I'm taking this out. It smells like, I don't know. Y'all know that weird smell. So this is a Canon 200 ES black EOS shoulder bag. This is what it looks like on the inside. Got the shoulder strap, and it got the space to hold the lenses and the camera. It got a little pocket right here in the front. Little space right there. It doesn't have any back pockets. The straps are adjustable. You know, cool beans. Canon on the front. It doesn't zip, it just snaps closed. So that's that. Wow. So then this is the 75 to 300 mm lens right here. Wow, I'm gonna take this loose because I want to hold it in my hand. I want to hold it in my hand. I'm lit, bro. I'm excited. Listen, I used to get in trouble in elementary school for handling scissors the wrong way, and I never learned my lesson clearly. Never. Whoop. Whoop, what's this? This is, you know, instructions and stuff, and the limited warranty, so I'm gonna fill that out because period, I fill out the warranty on everything. So come this little plastic thingy, another plastic thingy, and it's wrapped in this is it cellophane? I don't think that's what it's called, but ooh, it's heavy, y'all. Ooh, it's heavy, y'all. And this is the front. And then this is the part you stick to the body of the camera. Look at that lens, child. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Put this back in here. And you want to know what I'm going to do? Stick it right here. Fits good right there. the moment of truth, okay? Can I get a drum roll? Can I get a drum roll? I'm so excited. This is the shoulder strap. Okay. I'm so official. All I need is a whistle. Period. Okay, I'm sweating. Hurry up. You're sweating. You're excited. This is the basic instruction manual. Register your camera. I'm gonna do that later. Something else. Warranty. This is the battery. It's the battery. And this is my lens, wrapped in the bubble wrap, wrapped in the bubble wrap, wrapped in the plastic. Okay, Canon. This is a small lens that comes with the camera. I got the 2 lens kit. I'm so excited. I'm gonna just sit there right there. This is the battery charger. How about we just go ahead and just whip that bad boy out, period. Oh, look, the battery come in the plastic. I'm gonna undo the... And we're gonna charge it right now because I wanna play. And I'm about to plug this up. Give me a sec. I'm charging my camera battery. Oh, wow. A camera battery that's gonna last. No shade, no tea to Sony, but that's it. That's all. And here is the body. Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy. Body crazy, curvy, wavy. Wait, I can't even talk. Body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist. Body crazy. Ooh, y'all, look. Here she is. Look at how big. I need to get a screen protector. The screen is super big. I have a screen protector for my iPad. I'm gonna just cut it. And then like, here's all of the yep. I'm so excited. Wow, 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 wow. I'm gonna put my strap on. No, I'm gonna put my, okay. I'm just gonna shut up. Why you put the strap on? Damn, I gotta look at the instructions on how to put the strap on. Come on, La. English. Boy, what? This is terrible. What the hell? Look at this. What is this saying? Somebody tell me. I'm gonna have to just look up a YouTube video and put it on. Girl, I'm gonna look up a YouTube video and put it on. But this is my camera. I'm about to attach the smaller lens to it. Y'all, I'm excited. I'm excited. Break it, y'all. Wow. Oh, you heard the click. Ooh. Take a thumbnail. Oh. How the battery go in here? Ooh wee. Look at that. Oh wait. Y'all. I'm muy excited. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna play with my camera. Like, rate, comment, ooh, I'm still zoomed in. But yeah, y'all, so I'm finna go play with my camera. Like, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.